The formula for the perfect healthy salad: think of building a salad in layers. Each layer has a purpose: to provide nutrients, texture, flavor, and staying power. Step 1. Start with a nutrient-dense base: the greens. This is your foundation. Ditch the iceberg. Lettuce and choose greens packed with vitamins and minerals. Mix and match for more complex flavor. And nutrition. Mild and crisp: romaine, butter lettuce, mixed greens, green leaf peppery and bold, rugula, watercress, radicchio hearty and nutrient-rich, spinach. Kale tip: massage kale with a little olive oil and salt to soften it. Portion: aim for 2 to 3 large handfuls. Step 2. Add a rainbow of vegetables. The crunch and color: the more colors you add, the wider the range of antioxidants and nutrients you'll get. Reds: cherry tomatoes, red bell peppers, radishes, red onion. Oranges: yellows, carrots, yellow bell peppers, corn. Greens: cucumber, broccoli, celery, edamame, snap peas. Purples: blues, purple cabbage. Beets: cooked or raw shredded. Pro tip: don't forget roasted vegetables, roasted broccoli. Cauliflower or Brussels sprouts add incredible flavor and texture. Portion: 1 to 2 cups of chopped veggies. Step 3. Pack in the protein, the power. This is what makes your salad a satisfying meal and keeps you full for hours. Plant-based: chickpeas or other beans. Kidney. Black beans: about 1/2 cup. Lentils: about 1/2 cup. Tofu or tempeh cubed and pan-fried or baked: about 1/2 cup. Edamame: about 1/2 cup. Grilled chicken breast. Sliced: about 3 to 4 oz. Salmon flaked: about 3 to 4 ounces. Hard-boiled eggs: 1 to 2. Chopped. Canned tuna or sardines packed in water or olive oil. Step 4. Incorporate healthy fats. The finisher: healthy fats help you absorb fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, K from your veggies and contribute to satiety. Avocado: 1/4 to 1/2 sliced or cubed. Nuts: walnuts. Almonds, pecans: about a small handful. Seeds: pumpkin, sunflower, chia. Hemp seeds: about 1 to 2 tablespoons. Olives. Portion: a small, controlled amount. These are calorie-dense. Step 5. Add a complex carb for lasting energy. This is optional but highly recommended if the salad is your entire meal. Quinoa: 1/2 cup. Cooked brown rice or wild rice: 1/2 cup. Cooked roasted sweet potato or butternut squash: 1/2 cup, cubed. Whole wheat croutons: make your own by toasting cubed whole wheat bread with a little olive oil and garlic powder. This is what elevates your salad from good to great. Fresh herbs: parsley, cilantro, mint, dill, or basil add brightness. Fruit: a little sweetness provides a wonderful contrast. Try sliced strawberries, blueberries, chopped apple, pear, or mango. One part acid, lemon juice, balsamic vinegar, red wine vinegar, apple cider vinegar. Seasoning: a pinch of salt, a crack of black pepper, and maybe a small dab of Dijon mustard to help it emulsify, or a tiny bit of honey, maple syrup. For balance: 1 tablespoon lemon juice or vinegar of choice Dijon mustard. Screw the lid on tightly and shake vigorously until combined. That's it.